Good morning, everybody. This is Raybanman here.
This is Raybanman here. This is Raybanman here.
Good morning, everybody. This is Raybanman here.
Raybanman here. Raybanman here. Yes. And today I have an unboxing. Yes. I'm filming often buildings outside, and it's very windy. Now it's almost winter here. So I sent my assistants to buy a really good microphone for my iPhone XR. Yes. And here it is. The VideoMic Mel L. Yes, directional microphone for Apple devices. Yes. And what is this? Røde microphones.
Røde.
It must be on Danish. Yes. Okay. What the hell? Yes, it's included in this package. It's the clip and the windshield. Yes. And it cost, let me see, 849 kroner. Yes. Okay. Two-year warranty, designed for Apple devices, headphone output jack, no battery required. Yes. Okay. And here we have it. Yes. Here's the clip. I don't know how to use this one. Clip, and the wind shield. Yes. And this is really small. Yes. What? Made in Australia. 1849 kroner for this. Okay. And what is this? Instructions. What? Okay. Okay, you just put it in your iPhone there, and then you start talking. It's really easy. Okay, I will go out and film some buildings now, so we'll see what the difference is. Bye. Hello everybody, this is Raybanman, and I'm out to test the new microphone. Yes, so now I don't have the microphone, so we'll see what's the difference. What the difference will be. Okay, so I'm here at Røde. Yes. Without the microphone, yes. And yes, everybody, now we have the microphone on, yes. And it's not so windy, but it is windy. And hello everybody, you can't see me, but I have the microphone on. Can you hear me? And it's windy. Yes, can you hear me? Okay, it was a little hard to film with a mic. I will show you why. Yes, here is my old iPhone, the iPhone 6, yes, S. You connect the mic like this if you want to film on with the selfie mode, yes. And here you have the, what's it called? The windshield, yes, the windshield. Yes, and here is the windshield, yes. And when I film, I hold the iPhone like this, but now you can see it's a little hard with the windshield on. Okay, I had some problems with the light here, I don't know why, but okay. Yes, so you see it's a little hard to film like this, and if I hold it like this, the camera is here, so you won't see what I'm filming, yes. So this is the selfie mode. When you want to film the sound in front of you, you just turn it and connect it like that, yes. And then you can film like this, yes. And one moment, I will show you something. Okay, so now when I will go out and film, I must use this, the camera grip, yes, so I can film like this. Then it's easy if I have this camera grip, yes. Okay, that was that. Bye-bye. And this is the camera grip I'm using, the F mount. Yes, I'm testing. I have the mic on. And I hear some helicopters. Yes. Yes. Hello everybody, this is Raybanman and I have the mic on. So can you hear any difference? Yes. And now without the microphone, can you hear any difference? Can you hear? Because I can't. Yes, and I also bought this bag, you see here, this steering bag, or how you can call it, yes. To have my bananas, my microphone, my gadgets, yes, so I can record, yes. Yes. And also, I have my gloves, yes. And now it's 5 degrees and my hands are warm, yes. So fantastic gloves, I really recommend them. Okay, bye-bye. Yes, from the front, the back, yes, and I have some really nice pockets here for putting some the keys, and also this side here you have also a pocket. It's a good size, yes, good size. Yes, Raybanman's front bag.